Welcome. In this video I will show you how to resolve battery draining issue on HUAWEI MatePad Pro Max. So first of all, let's open settings. Now the easiest way to increase battery's lifetime is by turning on the power saving mode, which will limit many different features on our device, like background activity of the applications. It will also limit the brightness and generally the power usage, and will give us a couple of extra hours of usage. But if you don't want to use power saving by itself, we can use different methods. For example, we can check the power consumption details here at the bottom. We can see which applications use the most battery on our device. We can select them right here, go to their launch settings, enable automatic management, and disable running in the background for these applications. Now we can also go to display and brightness section. We can disable the automatic brightness and set it to the static level. We can lower the brightness and basically keep it at the point where we are still comfortable with this brightness level, or we can also just enable the dark mode, which will overall increase our device's our battery's lifetime. Then we can also check the screen refresh rate and use the standard one instead of dynamic or high, which will also increase our battery's lifetime. And lastly, we can go to sound and vibration settings, find more sound settings, and disable the sound effects for our device, which will also increase battery's lifetime. Now let's check how all of these changes affected our battery, and as you can see, we already got a couple of more hours of battery, and still we can enable the power saving mode to get even more. Also, make sure to disable your Bluetooth, Wi-Fi or mobile data, Bluetooth or Wi-Fi or other things like location when you do not need them. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.